Ito guys, legit na online job portal na kung saan pwede kayo makakita ng legit na online jobs, and I was able to earn this amount na may kita ninyo sa inyong screen. Nag-sign up ako for an account dito sa Racket.ph. This is specially made for Filipino freelancers, and as you can see, they have already worked with different famous brands. So here you can post different types of jobs that you can offer. You can also search for different jobs. I-type mo lang remote sa search engine and maglalabasan na po lahat ng mga online jobs na available sa page nila. Yun, no? Pwede ka rin gumawa ng sarili mong profile, i-flex mo lahat ng kaya mong gawin. Pwede mo rin presyohan yung service na ino-offer mo sa iyong client. And here is my first client, and nag-avail sila ng short video promotion for their brand for an amount of 5,000 pesos. So dito pa lang sa chat ni Racket.ph, you will be able to talk doon sa client mo regarding sa pricing, sa scope of work na kailangan mong i-deliver para sa iyong clients, and a lot more. Request din ako for a 50% prepayment, kaya hinati ko yung payment ko. I asked for an amount of 50%. And ni-request ko rin yan dito sa GC, and nag-pay sila directly sa aking Racket.ph account. And ito na nga siya guys. Na-receive ko na siya sa aking wallet sa Racket.ph, and i-withdraw ko na siya. So ito, nakapag-request na ako ng payment, and I was so glad dahil sobrang dali at sobrang bilis ko na-receive yung aking payment dito via GCash. You can actually use different types of payment methods. Meron silang ibang e-wallets na available. Meron din silang mga ibang digital bank para ma-receive mo na sila direkta sa inyong bank account. Ayan, for siguristas out there, ayan na nga, na-receive ko na yung ni-request kong payment sa aking GCash account. And yun nga lang, may konting fees lang silang binawas due to transaction fees, ganyan. Pero small amount lang naman yun. But overall, I'm so impressed with this platform. Malay nyo, dito nyo na rin mahanap yung legit client na inaabangan ninyo. Kaya what are you waiting for? Mag-sign up na kayo dito sa Racket.ph to find your first freelancing online job.